Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video is stay working G35. So today we're gonna show you the trick, how we're gonna fix the fuel pressure in your car. So if your car spends a lot of gas, you push gas, the car doesn't give you horsepower. So today we're gonna show you the game, what you have to change that, what's the cause of this problem. So pretty much I've been working on this car. So if your car like give you like many code, like engine lights, like spark plugs or cylinder, all the cylinder misfire, you keep changing spark plug, you keep having the same issue. So it's gotta be your fuel pressure regulator. And many people doesn't show what is the fuel pressure regulator. So today video we're gonna show everything. And please guys, if you like this video, please make a like to this video so everybody can see this video. So for the part number today, I'm gonna show you the parts. This is the part number you need. This is the part number. It's gotta be 840-36. This is the fuel pressure regulator, and a lot of people there's no video for. So this white guys is for G35 350Z. So it's the same issue, guys. So this is the part number. So this one here control the gas regulate, like it separate the gas between the injection. Sometimes people think it's the injection. If you gas you go low and you get misfire, mean your fuel doesn't reach right way to your spark plugs. So today's video is gonna show you what's the location and how to change that. And easy guys, easy. We don't have to spend a lot of money to fix your car. Thank you guys. Stay with me, guys. I'll show you the game. Okay guys, this is my G35. So this car I built this to be a racing car pretty much. I did a lot of stuff to this car, cold intake, spacer to the intake manifold, high performance exhaust. Someone's gonna be taken to tune, but you still have some issue on the car. So I pick up some parts pretty much from the dealer, and I pick up this one here, and the pressure regulator is not that one. It's gonna be guys in the back. Let me see, show you guys. See that one? See that one? Is the pressure regulator. Is right here. If you can see, let's see. There is no space, guys. So this one, do you see it behind you? That one is the pressure regulator. So guys, we gotta change that one now. And then I got the part special order. I ordered it from AutoZone. It take 1 week to get the parts. So price is not bad, like $75. So it's not bad. So guys, let's go and start working on it. So what tools you're gonna need? Maybe you're gonna need the number 10 millimeter socket with ratchets. And first thing is first, always do disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery out. And the second thing you do, you have to release the pressure from the gas tank. So I have to do, open the gas tank and open the gas cap to release the pressure. Keep it just like that, loose it. And we go to the car now. We're gonna try to open the fuel regulator like that, and we're gonna replace it. Stay with me, guys. Okay guys, we're gonna use number 10 ratchets, and we're going in the back. Pretty much an easy job. Here's the first bolt. is the second one. Be careful, the gas gotta be under pressure. There you go. Here's the fuel pressure regulator. So guys, this is the one. We got a new one. Make sure we put some oil in the seal before we put it back. So guys, so we just removed the fuel pressure regulator for the Infiniti G35 to 350Z Infiniti Nissan. So this is the new one, how this always look. Let's show you the old one, why it's removed from the car. So this is, guys, this was supposed to be changed. Fuel pressure regulator. So this is, guys, really bad. So pretty much it doesn't release the pressure to the injection. So it doesn't control all that. So the horsepower, saving gas, a lot of stuff. Remember the horsepower in the car. So yeah, we gotta replace that. Is the factory one. We remove it. So back we gotta put the aftermarket one. So I just got it today. So let's show you how to put it back again. So first thing you do, you have to put some oil to the seal to make sure you get lubricates before you put it in there. When you put it in there, you gotta put it on this way. So this side it's gonna be to your sides. Stay with me, guys. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna put it back to the place. We'll lubricate some oil on it. So we'll make sure we're gonna put it in the place. There we go. She's going. And second thing we do, we get the bowl and we put it back to the place. Always take your time when do this job because we work with fuel. So something wrong with it. There's no room to see what's going on there. Okay, second bolt, place. We got the ratchets, tightness. So guys, so I installed the parts right now. So this is the parts which is located. Let me put the flashlights. So this is the parts which is located. This is the fuel pressure regulator. You can see that it's right there. So right now we're gonna put the battery in his place, and we need to test the pressure. We'll make sure the doesn't leak or anything, and we go put the gas cap to the place. Put the gas cap into the place. Very good. And let someone do like Premiere. Don't start the car. Just 2 clicks 4 to see. So Basil, 2 clicks 4. And now we're gonna check if there is any leak. 2 clicks 4. Do it three, 4 times. So make sure there's no leak. Keep doing more. Okay, guys, there is no leak. Good. So what's going on now? We're gonna start in the car. Go ahead, start the car. Yeah, we're making sure there's no leak again. We'll check by my hand. Put it behind the fuel tank. Yes, there is no leak, guys. Everything is good. So we'll fix the first problem. Okay, guys. So now we're taking the car to testing. Let's see. We'll take it to tests. Here we go. How is it? Smell better? That's good. So guys, so the problem is resolved. So the car run better. No problem. Just we'll have to make sure there's no leak in gas. And done. There you go, guys. No check engine light on, no nothing. The car doesn't shake. So you can see the car ran better again. And that's it. So pretty much, guys, so we did change the part now. The car ran better. So no shake, no hesitation like before. So guys, this space was really bad. So the part number for this one, it was 840 39. So this is 36 is the part number. And you can get them online or can get them from AutoZone and do it by yourself, you see, guys. So stay one piece have to be changed the letter. This one here too. I'll pick up from junkyard. But I believe maybe I have to get a brand new one to go from there because I put a new one, so I put brand new stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. See you guys.